red means dead, blue means good. Okay, Lay? Tama.
Okay.
Red,
Red
dead,
means
blue,
dead,
good.
do good.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
Red, dead, blue, good.
Good. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. First round. This is the first round. Okay. Best of three. We have three lives. And then on the box, hover your mouse over it and then click and drag away from the box. Or
Ang
click to
lakas
click
ng,
it and then
ang lakas ng ano.
yeah, do you want to disconnect? Disconnect?
Okay lang,
Wala
okay
na,
lang.
sige. Sure, sige. Click on the box and click on one of those blank spaces on either side of your screen. See that?
Wait lang, naglo-load pa.
Okay.
Oh, ano to?
It'll tell you later
What's
during
this?
the round what they do. There you go. And then see that? That is okay. There you go.
Ayan
Red,
na.
dead, blue, good. Red, dead, blue, good. Your
Okay.
turn. Okay. Ito na, before you do anything, you can either pick up the shotgun or use your items. If you do pick up a
Oh,
shotgun, before you do anything, wait. Before you do anything, if you pick up the shotgun, you can either point it at me or point it at you. If
okay.
you if you point it to yourself and it's a blue shell, it means you can go again. If it's a red shell,
Oh,
obviously you lose one life. Yan, basically.
okay.
That's the premise. So either use an item or pick up the shotgun.
Okay. I'm gonna use.
Oh, what is that? Oh, okay,
Ah,
okay.
good.
Interesting. Yeah, it was okay. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Now
So,
what?
cigarette.
Oh, that gives. What did that do? Did you read the description of the item,
Hindi ko napansin.
bruh? Okay, and then me. Oh yes! Oh,
What? So ako na
lay,
no! Wala
lay.
na,
You
patay
see
na ako.
one of my items. You should have shot yourself, lay. Do you see one of my
No.
items? Do you see this
Yes.
one? One of my items called a handsaw. Let me read the description for you.
No, double
Handsaw.
damage.
Shotgun deals 2 damage.
No.
So there we go. And then bada bada boom. Boom, baby. Alright. Two
Oh
items. Yeah.
no.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Bada bada boom.
Bakit
You
ako
have
wala?
one life lay. No, you have a box. Right there.
Wait lang, hindi ko, bakit hindi ko ma-open?
It's open. What do you mean? Just click on it.
Hin-
Click on it.
Hindi eh. Lag, kita ko lang yung face mo. Tignan mo yung picture. Picturean kita. Ay, picturean ko to. Send
Okay.
ko sa messenger.
Okay. Let's see.
Nakaganyan lang siya.
Uh, wait, look down. Just did you try moving your mouse?
Yes.
Can you click on anything?
Tinatry ko
Click, click, click.
WASD. Tapos down
Oh,
bot
right click.
arrow.
Right
Ah,
click.
right
Right click
click.
to move your camera.
Ayun, okay.
Then look down. There you go. Yeah, I also didn't know that. I didn't know you can look. Like check this out, Lay. Yeah. Ooh, Lay. Look at me, Lay. Look at me. Ooh, look at me.
Hindi ko naman ano, click yung, yung box.
Seriously?
Yes.
Talaga? Sige, sige. Restart. We can restart.
Sige.
Disconnect. Oh, it was a good first round, Lay. Almost had you. Almost had you, Lay. You should
Sayang.
have went for the 50-50. Alright, let's do this.
Hey, let's go.
Do you think you'll ever be in one of these? Like warehouse discos?
No.
But if you could, would you? If you could go there? If you can visit one?
Pwede, para to try lang.
Tapos parang no, after a few minutes, nirin kayo ng police. That's a lot of items. Oh my god.
Tatlo?
Apat.
Ah,
No, kasi
apat.
no, we have 4 lives. Yeah, maybe 4 items, maybe. Okay. Oh, that's
Ala,
okay.
four?
Okay.
Four dead?
Hey, don't say it. Don't
Bro.
say it. Don't say it out loud. Don't say it out loud. Oh, it's my turn.
No. May dalawa
Let me
siyang
just.
sumo.
Mm, I see. I see. Okay. 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 I know what to do, Lay. I know what to do.
No.
Let's for you, Lay. For you. Let's make it even. Let's make it fair.
No,
Okay.
inverter.
And then
Ay?
now, okay. Inverter, Lay. It every red becomes a blue and blue becomes a red, basically.
Oh.
Okay. So now, okay, now it should be yes, yes. I can see it
No.
going, baby. Okay.
Wala na. Dead. Ay, di ko alam.
Hindi ko na alam eh. I'm not sure. It's a something percent chance of being okay. You know what? I'll take my chances. There's no loss.
No.
I'll lose nothing if I do this. So let's go.
No. Sabi
Let's
na
go.
eh. Grabe, dalawang life agad nang patay sa akin.
Your turn. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Oh, lay, no, lay.
Ay!
Lay! You have,
No!
you have magnifying glasses.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
lay. I'll be fair. I'll be fair. Let's just hope that this is the red. Stop. See?
No.
Now it's fair. Now it's fair. There you go. Sayang lay yung magnifying glass. Isang shot na lang eh.
Ay, isang shot na lang ba?
Hmm. Oh, wait, what? It was red? What? Oh man. I thought it was I thought it was a blank. I thought it was a blue shot, a blue shell.
To. Ay,
Okay.
equal. No, si Byron.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Let me just check. Interesting. I could end the game right now, Lay, but that would be too, you know, that would be, that would just be, dumb. It would just be boring. So let me just do this. Yeah. And then this. And then let me do this. Mm. So let me just, and then let me do this. And then, mm, from here, you know what, Lay? I'll give you a shot. I'll give you a shot.
No!
Oh, it was blank. It was
Oh!
blank.
Yay!
Well, it's a GG. It's a GG. I should have. I should have. Yeah, you're welcome, Lay, for showing you mercy. You're welcome.
Yay! Thank you. Bye-bye.
Next time, Lay, I you should read all of your items. Kasi
Okay.
yung parang syringes or the tubes that on your left side of the screen. Sa ano mo, sa'yo? Those items. You see that
Yes?
right there, sa left side.
Ano
If you
yan?
use that item, it lets you steal another the player the enemy's item.
Oh.
And Lay, let me walk you through this. We saw, diba? 3-3. 3 bad, 3 good. Diba?
Yes.
And then I used an inverter, which
Oo,
means that
ninakaw mo sa akin.
no. Yeah, no. Sorry. I used a magnifying glass to check the first shell, and then I shot myself. Actually, you know what? You know what, Lay? Basta ano, in the end, there's only red shells inside the shotgun mo. You should have used yung item mo on your left to steal a saw to deal double damage to kill
Ah.
me.
Okay.
You know what, Lay?
No! Yay! Nanalo ako! First time in forever. Ano na nangyari? Ay, second round na.
Yep. Okay, 3 items to say 3 lightning bolts or 3 hearts. Mm.
Oh, isa lang! What?
Mm.
No!
You know what I have?
Na kay
I go
Byron!
first.
May hakso siya!
There. Let's do it like this. Let's go with beer. These are red. Okay, then let's check what's inside now. Okay. Mm-hmm. Lay.
What?
What
What is
color?
it?
What color?
Blue?
I wrong. If you were correct,
No!
I wouldn't have used a handsaw. So
No! Aroy.
so Lay, I'm pretty sure it's you know what to do. You know what to do right now, Lay. I'm sure you know. You got this, Lay. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, yeah. Do it. Do it, pussy. Do it. It's a red, isn't it? It's a red. It's red. Now it's my turn. I just do this because why not? There we go.
Hala!
Round. Okay. Okay. Oh, Lay, you are so dead.
Ala, hindi ko na naman makuha.
Oh, man.
Sayang. Bakit ganun?
I think you're lagging. That's the problem. Check ano nga, alt tab and then check mo kung may Wi-Fi connection ka.
Ano yan?
Check mo kung ano, may Wi-Fi connection ka.
Meron.
Yung laptop mo mismo. I mean,
Yes.
meron talaga. Alright, how about you, no? Ikaw yung mag-host. Try natin yan. Okay, let's
Sige.
disconnect. Ikaw yung mag-host. So, pag nasa multiplayer screen ka,
Yes.
click mo lang yung host table.
Invite friends.
Yes.
Yes. Ayan.
There we go. There we go. And then just start. There it is. Start. But hey, we both know that one of us has won.
Yes.
Currently, the score is 1-0. Go. 3 hearts, baby. Lay.
Ano yan?
Oh yeah. Uh, I also can't. I also can't get my items now.
No! Paano yan? Disconnect.
uh, uh, yeah. Hold up. Let me go to the bathroom and then we'll try and fix it.
Sige.